In this video, I'll show you how to manipulate skirt darts to achieve different results. Women often complain they can't find a skirt or pants that fit the hips and do not gap at the waist. This happens because hip measurement is much larger than waist measurement, and garment needs an extra dart to accommodate the difference. So, if half a hip's measurement is 12 centimeters, or a 4 3/4 inches larger than half waist measurement, the second dart is required. Mark 7 centimeters or 2 3/4 inches to the left from the center back seam, then mark first back dart width from this point. Draw a line down from center of the dart width. The line must be parallel to the center back line. Mark the dart 14 centimeters or 5 1/2 inches long and draw a dart. Divide the remainder of the waistline into two and draw another line parallel to the center back line. Draw a second back dart 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch wide and 12 centimeters or 4 3/4 inch long. Two back darts may slightly shift the side seam to the back. To compensate for the shift, the side seam must be moved 1/2 centimeter or 1/5 of an inch towards the center front. Draw new side seams and waistlines. And the finished result. To make your garment fit perfectly, you will have to adjust the shape and position of your darts. The skirt will fit better if you position front and second back dart on a slight angle. Draw a line from the second back dart point like so, and mark 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch to the left. Redraw the dart. Similar procedure for the front dart. Draw your darts with curved lines to achieve the best fit. Now that you have straight skirt base sorted, you can turn it into any skirt pattern you wish. Here I'm going to show you how to make an A-line skirt. Divide hip line into 3 equal parts. Draw a line parallel to the center front and mark 3 centimeters or 1 1/4 inches up from hip line. We're going to transfer this dart to the left. Draw a new dart. Now cut the pattern to the dart point. Pivot the pattern until the dart is closed. Extend the line from the hem to the right and mark half of the width of the spread to the right and about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch up. Draw waist, hip line and hem line with curved lines. The darts can be moved along the waistline. Or pivoted depending on your design. You can also split the dart into several darts, provided the dart sum equals the width of the original dart. You can also turn the dart into a decorative feature like in this skirt. Draw a line parallel to the hip line through a dart point. Mark new dart point along the line and the direction of the dart. Move existing dart to the new point. Now cut along the new dart line and pivot until the old dart is closed. And here is the new pattern.